Who's Daddy getting you? Who's getting you? Oh, that's a nice squeal, isn't it?
It hurts my ears.
Who's giving you kisses? I wish you do that out of breath thing he was doing. Can you pant like Daisy? You were panting like Daisy last night.
Back this way. Here, you get me.
I'm getting you. Who's getting you, baby? Oh, you got my hair.
Hey there.
You got my hair. You're a jelly boy. You get your feet? Can you eat your feet?
Okay.